Whether you're aiming for impeccable hair, sharp sideburns, or a flawlessly groomed appearance from head to toe, having the right trimmer is essential. In today's guide, we'll take a comprehensive look at the best trimmers currently available on the market, taking into account various important factors. Whether you prioritize long battery life for frequent travelers or regular users, or you seek streamlined grooming with easy-to-clean designs, there's a beard trimmer tailored to your specific needs. Look for trimmers with robust power output, adjustable settings, detachable attachments, various cutting head sizes, reliable battery life, quick recharge times, cordless and corded functionality, and easy-to-clean designs, including waterproof bodies for simple rinsing. By considering these factors, you can confidently select a beard trimmer that ensures effortless grooming every time. With a plethora of hair trimmers available, finding the perfect one can be daunting. However, in this guide, we've curated products guaranteed to meet everyone's needs, simplifying your shopping experience. Let's begin. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Braun 9-in-1 Trimmer. For those who prioritize grooming convenience in the shower, the Braun 9-in-1 Trimmer is the ultimate grooming companion. Designed to cater to both beard trimming and full-body grooming needs, this trimmer offers unparalleled versatility and functionality. Equipped with 4 blade guards, including options like number 1, number 2, and 2 adjustable heights, it ensures precise grooming without the added bulkiness often associated with adjustable models from other brands. This trimmer goes beyond mere beard maintenance. It includes a nose and ear trimmer, a precision trimmer head, and an innovative shaving attachment featuring 2 trimmer blades running the length of a large foil shaver. Braun also provides a razor with 2 disposable blade heads, perfect for achieving that coveted baby smooth skin after shaving. While our reviewers were impressed with the Braun 9-in-1 trimmer's performance and versatility, they did note a couple of areas for potential improvement. Specifically, the blade guard adjustment mechanism, while functional, could benefit from a more secure locking engagement for added peace of mind during grooming sessions. Additionally, some users found the ergonomics slightly awkward, particularly those with larger hands, who may dislike the heavy taper of the trimmer's body. However, these criticisms are relatively minor compared to the trimmer's overall performance. In conclusion, the Braun 9-in-1 Trimmer is an exceptional grooming solution for individuals seeking a comprehensive grooming experience in the comfort of their shower. Its versatility, functionality, and waterproof design make it an ideal choice for those looking to streamline their grooming routine. Number 4. Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. For those serious about grooming, the Wahl Cordless Magic Clip is another ultimate grooming tool. Designed with professionals in mind, this trimmer is built to last and crafted with high-quality componentry akin to Wahl's renowned corded clippers. Despite its weightness and larger size compared to typical trimmers, it maintains an ergonomic design for easy and comfortable gripping. Operating on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it boasts the cutting power synonymous with Wahl's corded model, offering nearly 2.5 hours of runtime on a full charge. With just an hour downtime for recharging, it can also be used while connected to the charging cable, ensuring uninterrupted grooming sessions. When it comes to serious clipping and hair removal tasks, the Wahl Cordless Magic Clip excels. However, it lacks interchangeable heads for smaller precision work, a foil shaver, and attachments for ear and nose hair trimming, limiting its versatility for detailed grooming. Nevertheless, for those preferring at-home hair maintenance over salon visits, this trimmer is a powerhouse for handling substantial grooming tasks. If versatility is a priority, consider the Braun 9-in-1 Trimmer, which not only tackles nose and ear hair but also includes a precision trimmer head. Number 3. Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body. Surprisingly robust, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body defies expectations with its ability to handle thick beards while delivering one of the cleanest and smoothest shaves achievable without a disposable razor. Its compact size and shower-proof design make it a convenient choice for grooming in the shower or rinsing clean, minimizing maintenance efforts. The blade heads pivot seamlessly over the skin, with or without guards attached, and are easily replaceable when worn. Despite its exceptional performance and compact design, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body does have a few drawbacks to consider. Primarily, it lacks larger guard sizes for shearing thick, long beards, being more suited for precision work, close shaves, and shorter beards. Additionally, while the replaceable blades are easy to maintain, they incur ongoing costs that other trimmers may not. Though showerproof, it lacks the full grooming attachments and versatility found in options like the Braun 9-in-1 trimmer, which offers a more comprehensive grooming experience, especially for shower use. In summary, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body Trimmer excels in precision work while possessing the power to handle larger grooming tasks. Number 2. Wahl Lithium-Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit. Offering exceptional value, the Wahl Lithium-Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit proves to be a solid beard trimmer capable of handling both larger tasks and precision work. With 5 trimmer guards, including one adjustable option, alongside a precision trimmer head, standard trimmer head, and nose and ear trimmer, it provides ample versatility for various grooming needs. Users appreciated the trimmer's rubberized body, finding it easy to grip during use. However, the textured rubber tends to attract hair and dust, making cleaning a bit cumbersome, particularly since the trimmer is not waterproof and cannot be rinsed off. Another notable issue surfaced during validation of charging and run times. The battery charging indicator proved less than helpful in determining a full charge. As a dedicated beard trimmer, the Wahl Lithium-Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit offers unbeatable performance at its price point. While other models may provide similar versatility at a comparable price, they often fall short in terms of cutting power and battery life. However, for those seeking a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much performance, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 is a viable alternative, performing admirably across most tests at a lower price point. In summary, the Wahl Lithium-Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit delivers versatility, cutting power, and long-lasting battery life, making it an excellent choice for those seeking value without compromising on performance. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 Best Overall Beard Trimmer. Continuing its reign as a powerful and versatile all-in-one trimmer, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 impresses with its comprehensive grooming capabilities. Featuring 12 guards, including 2 easily adjustable options for achieving various beard styles and lengths, this trimmer offers unmatched versatility. Transitioning between trimmer heads, wide, normal, precision, and nose and ear trimmer is effortless, requiring only gentle pressure for release and replacement. As a showerproof model, it minimizes maintenance needs and ensures hassle-free grooming sessions. Exceptional performance is further underscored by the trimmer's high-quality stainless steel body, comfortable grip, and satisfying heft reminiscent of premium tools. Its remarkable battery life, lasting up to 4 hours and 50 minutes, sets a new standard in grooming convenience. However, despite its impressive features, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is not without its limitations. The absence of a foil shaver means users must rely on a razor for a stubble-free shave, which could be seen as a significant drawback. While aftermarket foil shavers compatible with this model do exist, it's still a notable omission. For those prioritizing micro-level precision and foil shaver functionality, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body presents a compelling alternative. In conclusion, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 stands as an exceptional choice for comprehensive grooming needs, offering unmatched versatility. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you found this video useful.